What we're going to do is going to create a script, a Python script, to automate some things. So of course it's going to be a very small scale example, but of course it is done on a large scale. So with the help of PyAutoGUI library, we can automate things. So taking an example of a bomber, so we can create a bomber with a very small script. So let's just directly dig into it and look at it how it goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new file. Oh, I'm going to import all the libraries that we needed. So basically I'm going to use two libraries over here, which is the PyAutoGUI and the time library. So we are going to just simply import these libraries. And first I'm going to type the code, and let's run the code, then we are going to decode it line by line later on. So here it's going to be the first input that we are going to take, like how many messages that we want. Of course it's going to be in numerical, so we have used int, and here we're gonna ask like what type of message do the user want to put in. So here again, I'm going to use a for loop just so that our code gets satisfied until the number of times we want the messages to go on. Just simply copy paste it. I'm gonna press enter. So once all the messages are went through, we just want our code to show that it's done. So we can use print function for that. Let's run it and give it a go. So I don't know about others, but while I'm working on automation scripts, when I'm saving in D drive, so it gives me a kind of hard time while running the code. So what I'll suggest you guys to just save it in the C drive. I'm gonna name it like a bomber. Okay. Okay, let's just in C drive, let's create a new folder over here. Okay, I'm gonna 20 messages. I am disturbing you. So it's gonna print 20 messages for us. So as you can guys see, once the 20 messages are done, we can see the output as done as well. So it gives a go that the messages are gone. So let's just automate the script using WhatsApp web. You can run the script anywhere which you would like. Before running the script, we need to make some changes in the command prompt. Just find out where you have saved your code file. Here in Python automation, just copy this file path over here. Cd, and then use this command. And to access the file, just name it, use the name of the file which you have saved with the extension .py, and you can see that it's prompting for the messages. Let's go for 20 messages again. I'm going to say hello and hit enter. Let's see if that works. So as you can guys can see, it just automated the script and all the messages went through, all the 20 messages. So of course you can alter the messages, like you can alter the messages with emojis if you would like to. I mean, like, you have to message edit the type your message section, then you can send out the emojis as well. And just the two prerequisites are the libraries which you might need. I'm just gonna help you out with the functions to install the libraries, just if in case you need those. You can just, I can show you just simply by doing pip list. You can just check out whatever the libraries that you have in your system. So you can see I've already installed prior to GUI, and time library is by default present over there in your ideally. Or else if you want to install it, you can just simply use this line of function pip install py auto GUI. If you will hit enter, it will automatically install it for you, the latest version of py to GUI. But as I already have it, even if I press enter, it's gonna show me the requirement already satisfied. If you want to install it, you can just simply use the same statement. It's going to install it on your system as well. Okay guys, thank you, signing off.